one recommendation that I would give you is to work on your leg strength, so you can just hover over the toilets in the train. Good morning, everybody. I am energized and ready to hit the day. I did one of my favorite things this morning. I got up and walked the neighborhoods and went to a local coffee shop, enjoyed my coffee there, and now I am ready to go for a run. So I am headed out for a run here in Belfast, and I will take you along. This is the Titanic Museum. All right, the beauty of running obviously is a physical fitness, but I love running when we're in other countries, so you get to cover so much more area than you would normally walking. So that was a really good 3-mile run, and now I'm headed back to the hotel. Got to jump in the shower, and we are hopping a train back to Dublin to meet up with my family. Yay! Beautiful sunny day in Belfast. However, we gotta hop a train now to Dublin. It's a half-hour walk to the train station and then 3.5-hour ride back to Dublin to meet up with my sister and my niece and their husbands. So super excited about that, and we will see you when we hit Dublin. Bob is experiencing his first taste of blood sausage, I think. You haven't had it anywhere before, have you?
No, I don't know what it is. It's blood sausage?
Yep.
Yeah.
What's it taste like? Sausage? I feel like I've had it as a kid, but does it taste the same as sausage?
No, it doesn't have a strong taste of sausage, but
If any of you guys can tell us what blood sausage is, we would love to know.
Yeah, it's hard to say because at first I thought it was more like a bean type of thing, but
Oh, the way they have it done, yeah.
But, yeah, I thought blood sausage would be rarer.
Poached egg blood sausage Benedict.
To Belfast, it was I think a Belfast Benedict.
Belfast Benedict was the name of it? Okay. Bon appetit. Doing this video for you guys inside the bathroom in the train, on the train, for those of you who have not been in a bathroom on a train. So you have the doors here, or I should say the switches to open the door, to close the door, to lock the door, and SOS in case something happens. You got your water. You also have your soap that comes out. And then you have the toilet. It's nice not being able to see the tracks because a lot of trains that we have been on in other countries, it just opens to the tracks and gets dumped out onto the tracks. So I thought I would take you inside the toilet on a train. Kind of crazy, huh? One recommendation that I would give you is to work on your leg strength so you can just hover over the toilets in the train, because as you would suspect, the trains are not that clean. So get working on that leg strength. But we are on our way to Dublin, and that is our next stop. So I am going to keep a secret as to where we are staying, because we will be staying here for the next 4 nights. So we will show you those accommodations when we come back to Dublin after Killarney and the actual hotel that we are staying at. So hopefully the choice is correct, because it is above a bar. So we'll see how that goes. We are off to explore the Dublin for a little bit tonight, and then we need to hop a train tomorrow on the way to Killarney after we meet up with my family. So have a good night, guys. Thanks for watching.